Welcome back to Unveiling the Ancient World. I'm Chris Krafke, your guide on this journey through the annals of history. Today, we're delving deep into the heart of ancient Israelite society in our episode titled Life in Ancient Israel: Customs, Laws, and Daily Life. As we step back in time to the land of milk and honey, let's peel back the layers of history to uncover the intricate tapestry of life in ancient Israel. From the bustling markets of Jerusalem to the tranquil olive groves of Galilee, the rhythm of daily life was intertwined with tradition, faith, and community. At the core of ancient Israelite society lay a complex web of social structures and familial bonds. Men, women, and children each played distinct roles contributing to the cohesion and stability of their communities. But what did life look like for individuals living in this ancient civilization? Let's start by exploring the social structure of ancient Israel. At the apex stood the ruling elite: kings, priests, and nobles, who wielded power and influence over the land. Beneath them were the common folk, comprising farmers, artisans, and laborers, whose toil sustained the economy and livelihood of the nation. Family life was the cornerstone of Israelite society, with households serving as the bedrock of community and kinship. From patriarchal clans to extended families, the bonds of kinship were sacred, shaping everything from inheritance laws to marriage customs. But what about the daily rituals and religious practices that infused ancient Israelite life with meaning and purpose? From the sacred rites of the temple to observance of Sabbath and festivals, faith permeated every aspect of daily life, providing a framework for moral conduct and spiritual growth. Agriculture, too, played a central role in shaping the landscape and livelihood of ancient Israel. From the fertile plains of the Jezreel Valley to the terraced hillsides of Judea, the land teemed with life, sustaining a thriving agricultural economy and fostering a deep connection with the people and the land. As we peer into the annals of history, let's marvel at the resilience and ingenuity of ancient Israelite society, whose legacy continues to inspire and enrich our understanding of the human experience. Join me next time as we journey further into the ancient world, uncovering hidden treasures and timeless truths along the way. Thanks for tuning in to Unveiling the Ancient World. I'm Chris Krafke, and until next time, may the echoes of the past guide us toward a brighter future.